Thank you.
Did you know that Hurricane Sandy, the most recent hurricane to hit the United States in 2012, resulted in a total of 285 deaths, and that many of the victims died in their own homes? The reason for this tragic outcome, is because hurricanes expose homes to multiple hazards, such as strong winds, falling trees, and flying debris. So when people decide not to evacuate and stay home, their lives are left at the mercy of these multiple hazards. In order to protect the community, city emergency officials use computational tools to predict structural damage to homes, from which they determine evacuation recommendations. In spite of their efforts, according to a validation study I did, while these tools offer guidance at the county level, they are not very accurate predicting wind damage at the level of neighborhoods. To tackle this problem, I gathered data sets from a variety of sources that in one way or another capture factors that influence damage to homes. With these data sets, I built an accurate model that predicts wind damage to homes in Harris County at the level of neighborhoods in real time. So my model is currently used by the City of Houston to inform the community if they need to evacuate or if it is safe to stay home.